When I was writing my book about iconic beauty products, it was a no-brainer. I didn't have to think about it. Advanced night repair changed modern skincare, and its influence can be felt in pretty much every routine today. It was the first consumer serum, so it literally invented that step in our routines. I can only think of about 3, possibly 4 products in existence that are known by initials. And advanced night repair is obviously one of them. That gives it true legendary status. I obviously have so many serums, it is my job to test them. And there are always lots of products in my bathroom cabinet, but I can certainly say there has never been a point where A&R hasn't been in there. You can use it day and night. It's completely versatile. But also you can take a few drops of A&R, a little pump of foundation, mix them together, and that gives you a much sheerer, lighter coverage. It belongs in the Hall of Fame because so many millions of women have used it for so long and still love it.